a brand new OnePlus 6, and guess what? We are going to root this beast today. But wait, if you want to root, then make sure to back up all your data before you proceed, because everything will be wiped from the phone once we unlock the bootloader. And also make sure you are on the latest Oxygen OS version. The current version at this time of recording this video is 5.1.5. So let's get started. First thing we need to do is to head over to settings about phone and then scroll to the very bottom and click 7 times on build number to enable developer options. Now go to developer options and enable OEM unlocking, USB debugging and advanced reboot options. Now reboot to bootloader and connect your phone to your computer. On your computer, open command prompt and type fastboot space devices and press enter to make sure the phone is detected fine in fastboot. If fastboot command does not work for you, then you will need to install fastboot and ADB drivers. I'll provide the driver links and instructions in the video description. Now type fastboot space OEM space unlock and press enter to unlock bootloader. Move over to your phone and you will see something like this. Use the volume down key to select unlock the bootloader. All data on the phone will be wiped at this point, so make sure you have a backup. Once unlock the bootloader is highlighted, press the power button to proceed. The phone will now reboot and you will have a brand new OnePlus 6. Go ahead and set it up, but avoid setting any security settings like pin, face unlock or fingerprint, just to be on a safer side. You can do that later once the phone is rooted. Once the phone is ready, go to settings about phone, scroll to the bottom and tap the build number 7 type to enable developer options. OEM unlocking will be enabled by default, so just enable USB debugging and advanced reboot. Now reboot again to bootloader and connect your phone to your computer if not already connected. On your computer, go to this XDA thread and download the patched boot image using the Google Drive link. I'll provide the link to the XDA thread in the video description. The patched boot image file will be updated for future Oxygen OS versions, so make sure you download the right file based on the Oxygen OS version you are running currently on your phone. At the time of shooting this video, the latest version of Oxygen OS is 5.1.5, and so we have the patched boot image for version 5.1.5. Now open the folder where you have downloaded the patched boot image. In the address bar, type cmd and press enter so that command prompt opens at this location. Now type fastboot space devices and press enter to make sure the phone is detected fine. Now type fastboot space boot space patc and press tab key to automatically fill the patched boot image file name, including the extension. Now press enter and the phone will now boot up using the patched boot image file. Now move back to your computer and download the Magisk Manager app using this link. I will also provide the link in the video description. You can directly download Magisk Manager APK on your phone or download it on your computer and then move it to your phone. Once done, open File Manager app and install Magisk Manager on your phone. Once installed, open it. Tap on Safety Net Check and select Yes to download the proprietary code. At this stage, Safety Net Check should pass successfully. Next, go to Settings and select Beta for update channel options. Now go back to the main Magisk screen and make sure both the options under Advanced Settings are checked. Now click Install, then again Install, then select the direct method and grant permission to install Magisk. Now wait for the installation, and once the installation is finished, click on Reboot. Once the phone is rebooted, open Magisk and do the safety net check, which should be successful. Now open Play Store and install any root checker app to verify root status. That's it, you have successfully rooted your OnePlus 6. Now you can go ahead and install apps like Titanium Backup, which requires root access to work. More OnePlus 6 videos are on the way, so do subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and please do like and